All right, what you're looking at there is the Escort S2 Solo. This is a really cool radar detector for a very specific group of individuals, and it's mostly designed for people that have more than one car. The reason is this has absolutely no cord. Now, I have a radar detector and I use it religiously, and one of my biggest problems is that I can't stand that cord going down from my glass all the way to my cigarette lighter. It's a big pain. It's always in the way, and it always blocks my navigation screen, which is really annoying. There's nowhere else to put it. I have to kind of like hide it over there and use the volume knob to kind of keep it out of the screen. Really annoying. This one's very cool simply because it has absolutely no wires. It runs on two AA batteries, which I'll show you right here at the bottom. There you go. Two AA's, that's all you need. It has a battery meter. It lasts for months on a single set of batteries. This is a really cool device. If you have more than two cars, you know, you're traveling a lot, you're doing rental cars, you're maybe a traveling salesman, this is perfect. It's absolutely perfect for you. Now, it does provide you 360-degree coverage. As you can see, you have laser diodes as well as radar receivers in here, and for rearward facing, when someone pulls up behind you, you have a laser and radar right there as well. It is fully programmable. As you can see over here, I'm going to go ahead and push between the different settings. Put it on highway where everything sets it off. Automatic, it's going to figure it out for you. This also has a built-in auto sensitivity, so that's going to help eliminate false positives. And then the last one is City, where it's basically going to get rid of the X band, and it's going to mute the X band after it comes up, because that's usually a door opener at a supermarket or something like that. You can adjust the volume. It has auto mute, which again, like when an X band comes up, it's going to automatically mute it because it knows that, hey, you're in city mode, there's a lot of stores. It also has an earphone plug in it, which is right over here. So in case you're really serious and you want to have your radar detector plugged into your headphones, you can do that as well. Now, this uses DSP, or digital signal processing. So when either the radar receiver or the laser diode receives something, it actually goes through an analog to digital conversion, which is going to help increase the range. It's also going to eliminate false positives, or help eliminate false positives. Now, this thing has really good battery life for only using two AA's, and the way it does it, it has very advanced high-end power management built in, so it'll actually run for a really long time off just the batteries, which is again why this is made. But it also is smart cord compatible, which means you can plug in the smart cord. Basically, it's a power cord that also transfers information, so that you can have some switches down on your cigarette lighter, so you can mute, increase the sensitivity, or go between city and highway settings. So it is smart cord compatible. That will power the unit if you don't want to use batteries. If you're using it in a single car for a while, maybe you stopped being a traveling salesperson, you stopped renting cars, it's perfect for that. And that's basically it. Very, very cool unit. Its portability being its main key selling feature, but again, it will provide you with the exact same coverage as a powered unit. It doesn't need to be, it doesn't have any downsides to it. Let's just put it that way. You do have 360-degree views. It will protect you from instant on and continuous K, KA band, X band, as well as lasers, including the Spectre 3 and Spectre 4 laser bands. You know, it's going to help you. And if you've never really thought about buying one of these, if you've gotten more than like 2 or 3 tickets in the past 5 years, basically this would have paid for them. If you had had it, it would have paid for itself. You know, spend several $100s on one of these, and you save yourself from nowadays tickets are pretty expensive. I got I think one for like $275. It's ridiculous. I wasn't even going that fast, so this will help save you some money, and it'll pay for itself. If you have any questions on the S2 Solo, feel free to email me. See you guys next time. For more information on the Escort Solo S2 cordless radar and laser detector, type in E580-1002 into any major search engine.